So we're on a canoe made of wood. There's Mostar.
Made of wood.
As Mostar. Molly and a very nice lady in pink. Or Tick Tick. I don't know where we're going.
Probably gonna die.
Probably gonna die. We assumed that before we even got on.
I'm just scared that something's gonna like jump out of.
Oh, in like a monster suit?
Yeah.
That would be
like,
epic.
Like in one of them horror movies that something starts crawling up the side of the boat.
Or like you see like a shark fin or like a snake going through the water.
Yeah.
Like a big snake. Not just a little snake, but a big snake.
Or a crocodile.
Oh, see, that didn't even cross my mind. This place is full of crocodiles.
Lovely.
Well, this country is anyway. We've seen that many stuffed ones. Oh, something's crawling on my leg. Yeah. It was on my heel. This is actually really nice.
They're still like sitting up straight and we're kind of just laying
We chilled.
We chilled. What?
Just chock chilling.
I could do so some snacks right now.
Pringles.
Yeah, well.
Cambodian Pringles.
We would have Pringles if someone didn't leave them in the school.
I think the kids will appreciate it more than you and your food babies.
Maybe not. Getting rather hungry.
These kids have probably never had Pringles in their life. And I just made their day. Alright?
We have to wait until like 8 o'clock for dinner tonight.
We can get food before then.
Yeah.
I probably will. I'm gonna go back to that popcorn place.
Yeah. Or we just get like a 15-minute pancake.
Yeah, but they're like, oh, 75 cents each isn't bad. Well, I would just imagine blowing all my money here on fat pants, pancakes, and food. Don't need anywhere to sleep.
Huh?
I don't need anywhere to sleep.
No.
I'll just like rent a tuk-tuk for a week and sleep in that.
It's not really like we have slept much.
No, I think last night was the most sleep I've had since I got here.
Like you go, yeah, I'm gonna have an early night.
Does not happen.
I'm pretty keen for our party night when we get back from.
Are we doing the party night at the school?
We're having
or
a
are we
party
doing it
at the school, right?
With the adults and some maybe a couple of kids.
But I don't think you can drink there.
Yeah, or it depends. Like, I might sneak a bottle in my bag, and if other people start drinking, then it's okay. But otherwise,
Scotty?
Huh?
Just ask Scott.
I guess so.
If not, we just come back and we get drunk then.
Alright. Sounds like a plan.
We don't have to get up early the next day.
We won't be drinking at the Elephant Refuge unless we take a bottle up there.
Yeah, we could always take a bottle up there.
Not much else to do at night except play cards.
I'd say we take our bottle.
$8 bottle of vodka. Southern Comfort. Just directing them back on course. Well, I feel safe at the moment. What happened to their driver? Oh, there it is. Hi, girls. I'm filming.
Oh, hey there.
Hi.
Oh, hi there.
This is my Biffle.
Yep, I'm just chinchilla.
And Jess.
As a biffle.
Bye.
Catcha.
I think you might die.
I think we'll die first.
I swear, things just keep calling on me.
Huh?
Things just keep calling on me.
Things are just drawn to your skin. It must be something about your blood or something.
I must taste very nice.
Certain oil on your skin. Maybe the type of malaria tablets you take just draws them to you.
Okay.
It's funny, they have phone access out here and we don't.
Bit of music for us.
They're so blasé out here, the people. Honestly, like, chilled out. In the city, it's all about surviving and making money in markets. And little kids sleeping on the street. And little kids using babies to try and get money out of you. But out here, it's just chilled out.
Peaceful.
And in the footage I've got at the moment, like, all this lights like flickering through the trees, it just looks amazing. It's like diamonds, shimmering. I wish I could see what Adam and Hamish were doing right now on their boat.
I think they might be up behind you.
Or maybe not rock the boat.
Yeah, they're behind you.
Are they doing anything?
No.
They're behaving?
Yeah.
I don't know. This is just amazing. I can't believe we only paid like $2,000 for this whole program.
I know, we get to do quite a lot of stuff.
Like, look where we are. We're at a floating village on a canoe going through swampy waters. Yeah?
Hello.
Hi. Wow, you're pretty close.
Everyone's quite close. How's your village floating going?
Yeah, pretty good.
How's the turtles?
Babe? Okay. Yeah, that means don't touch the sides. Like, I would pay for this every time, this program. The kids, the people, the places, the blessing that we got done today, it's just worth every cent. 100%. All you people back home, you need to do something like this. You will not regret it one bit, one minute you're here. Now I'm getting blinded by the sun.
Không được kiên của rẻ sao được phải ăn khơi tê và đang chứ nó phải bàn chở đấy chắc xì cà rê đấy ta trôi máu xì cà rê ôi dơm gửi châu gọi chăn xì cà rê mình chắc lấy ai xì cà ràng chè rọc
I don't think there's been one day here that we actually haven't enjoyed ourselves either.
Yeah.
I can hear Scott laughing.
Chạy nhom tha này. Chạy nhom lô su mà chạy ơi chạy hạt châu mà những xì cà rê. À sum châu lẹ. Ai ba. Cái phọt đi.
Sometimes we're a bit scared of what's left.
Yeah. Right, working out ways to kill us. Taking us to a torture chamber. Nah, the people here are awesome.
It like kind of feels like that.
When they look back at you like that?
No, it feels like
What?
taking us to some torture chamber right now. Like, we're all
Really?
in
You're
boats.
getting that vibe? I was joking.
Oh no, I'm getting that vibe. I only know it since you said it.
Pop our heads on those pikes. I don't see other heads on any of these pikes, so I don't assume they're going to kill us. But it's probably better they don't know what we're saying right now.
Like further out so that people can't hear us scream.
Oh, they'd hear me. They'd probably hear Adam scream.
Yeah.
I wish I spoke more. and understood what they were saying. I'll have to make it my mission to learn their language one day.
I'm pretty keen for a tattoo.
And then just, yeah, the tattoo will be awesome. It's so gonna happen as soon as I get back. I don't care if I'm tired.
Are you gonna do it as soon as you get back?
Probably. I don't know if I can book it. Depends whether there's any room, but as soon as I can book it, there's a day free, I'll get it done. It's not one of those tattoos I regret either, because they remind me of this experience and all these people and you as well. So, hi again. Still filming.
Oh, hey there. Still filming?
Yeah. Going on up nearly 11 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Beans. Beans.
And I got the boys dancing before as well.
Doing the Gangnam Style or just generally dancing?
Just a little bit of Gangnam, but then the general dancing.
I got the funniest photo of Hamish with her doing that click thing.
I got him film of it.
It's
the
so
entire
funny.
thing.
Whenever you're like, oh, smile. They just, Hamish just goes.
and Adam's like.
Adam just goes. Like they just can't smile normally. Like it doesn't look sincere. Okay, so this is Hamish. And this is Adam.
Do it, T. Do it, T. Oh, while I'm filming, can you do the that YouTube thing?
Hello, lady. Go play for you.
What about that guy that in America, the black guy, the really thin guy you were doing before, and the old lady with the fire?
He's climbing in your windows. He's snatching your people up. Trying to rape them, so y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husbands, cause raping everybody out here. And then the other one was, oh, well, I woke up to go get a cold pop, and I thought I heard somebody barbecuing. And then I thought, oh, Lord Jesus, it's a fire. And I ran for my life. I didn't grab my shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life.
Any day I ever feel down, I'm watching this video. That's brilliant.
I really do.
I'll send this video to all of you. I'll put it on Facebook and you can watch it.
We're gonna put the Ferris wheel one up on Facebook.
You got the video of it, do you? Did you get? I think I got video of us while me and Molly were in there.
Yeah, you
Probably
did
not
like,
get me.
Only like the start of it, like.
Yeah, we got all 7 minutes and a half of just us screaming.
Awesome.
Oh!
We nearly fell off.
You put like a really seedy face when you were done. I was like,
We've only taken like 3 feet.
I've noticed you've got a fast roll.
Killing it.
Yeah, now you're out of the way.
Oh no, we're getting over
I love that. They're just gonna actually push you. This is just beautiful. Well, I can't believe we're here right now. 12 months ago.
Everyone, there. 1, 2, grab. Okay, we'll do this way. 1, 2, 3.
Yet again, the Hamish smile.
Cool, shit, that's what they do at the front, and not game enough to do it to your face.
This is Adam, right? And then this is Hamish.
Girls, the 3 girls.
Girls!
Actually, I can get all 5 of you. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
This is Scott, our coordinator.
Just pushing volunteers.
Just attempting to kill us. We had our little bet earlier, like they're taking us to a torture chamber.
Come in, ping.
This Scott comes there for about 5-6 months a year. Does a lot of the volunteer work here. He's been absolutely awesome.
Tom, tick, tick.
Are you small, Scotty?
The face she's giving you is the, you're such a naughty boy.
I know. I think her face lost.
Smile!
This is Adam and Hamish again. Give us your smile. Why are we going backwards and they're going forward?
We're stuck in a net.
So push it
Oh,
back. One
great.
step forward and 2 steps back. Are you filming this whole thing, Roscoe?
Yes.
Oh, sweet.
I'm over 15 minutes in. From pretty much from the start.
Get after it.
Sorry?
Get after it.
Yeah, just then I did.
Oh, hello. Hey.
Hi.
Roscoe.
Hi. That's Hamish in the white. No, Hamish in the behind and Andy, Adam at the front.
Bye bye.
Stop trying to kill us. What? What? They got their motor on. Where's Jordan? Is he at the back?
Hi all, everybody.
We have taken about 50 million group photos today. It's not even funny. We've done at least 4 Toyota jumps. 1 was enough. We got that out of our way, but no, we had to get 4.
Jumps.
I dare yous.
Up and down.
I'm just filming. That's all. No biggie. This is Jason and Andy. These are my new favorite Asians.
Except Jason's a photo bomber.
Yes, this man in black here is magnificent at it.
Oh, hey there.
Absolutely magnificent.
You just missed my line.
Could you do it again?
Catch your cool cats on the flip side, laters.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube
Oh my God, look at them go.
and make you. Whoa.
No, Andy! Jason, no! Jason, it's all your fault! Everything is your fault! No! We can't let the photo bomber beat us!
Jessica, other side, other side. Jump. Push it out.
This is probably gonna eat up my memory card. Oh, what?
You used to be a stripper.
Oh, awesome. Suck it. No! We're in a little jam at the moment.
We're up to a silver medal.
Why don't we all just work together and take them out?
Bye bye.
Oh, yes.
Oh no!
Bye bye.
Suck. Don't even think about it. Don't. I think the drivers are going to start getting aggressive with each other. I've got this entire thing on film.
Oh no.
Even the boys. Yeah, it's nearly 20 minutes.
Oh wow.
But it'll be a great memory for everyone. I'll make sure everyone gets it. I love how competitive our drivers are, our rowers.
Bye bye.
I think we got the best one. Shit just got real. Shit just got serious. She stood up. Lehigh is Khmer for goodbye, by the way. And Akun is thank you. Tick Tick is too little. I'm Tom Tom, too big. Mitabai is you're welcome. Moy is 1. Bye. Ba. B. We're actually winning.
Yeah, there's one in front of us.
What?
Yeah, there's one in front of us.
Okay, it's a mission in life.
This whole thing.
Defeat. Yeah, they just got away from our crap. We still haven't seen anything floating in the water. Look at that. That's just awesome. The sun in the water. Why are we stopping? Oh, we're supposed to be going that way? Oh, and we're not in front. We're not in front anymore. So we got a bit hasty here. Our driver or our rower. You suck. You suck at life. You fail at life. Fail at throwing.
I'm far ahead of the other guys.
They're over there.
The wrong way.
I love his life. It's like, you.
Ông từ môn nơi ra chồng từ rất từ môn nơi bye bye từ môn tôi just hate it.
Saying bye bye.
Look at the little thing she's actually sitting on, our driver. And she's just maneuvering this boat.
A grade 3 cam shot in front of like a flying fox at Polaroid.
Wow, chào đuôi mi cái khlo tiền nữa à, bạc hồng à.